Are you ready to bring your creative visions to life? Whether you're a professional artist, a designer, or just starting your creative journey, the right drawing tablet can make all the difference. In this video, we'll explore the top 5 best drawing tablets you can buy today. From precision and responsiveness to portability and software compatibility, these picks are designed to elevate your artistry. All product links are in the description below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech reviews. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. Wacom Intuos Pro. Best overall. Wacom has a long history of building great drawing tablets, and the Wacom Intuos Pro is a perfect example of why. This tablet isn't a standalone device, it's built to be an accessory for your Mac or Windows computer. It's available in 3 different sizes, so you can prioritize portability or a larger drawing surface as you see fit. It boasts 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity, ensuring that you can get much more precision out of your digital drawing experience. Plus, shortcut buttons along the side to help you customize the experience to fit your needs. The Wacom Intuos Pro is the best drawing tablet out there right now, but keep in mind the Bluetooth connectivity can lag at times. Using it through a USB connection will fix that. Additionally, while the pen is quite high-tech, it can feel a little awkward when you first start using it, given its slightly large size. Still, you'll get used to that, and when you do you'll find that the Wacom Intuos Pro offers an excellently detailed drawing experience. Number 2. Apple iPad Air. Best for hobbyists. The iPad Air is almost as capable as the iPad Pro, but quite a bit cheaper. It still works with the 2nd generation Apple Pencil, so you'll still get that seamless Apple Pencil experience. And it still supports all the great drawing apps that you can download straight from the Apple App Store. That's part of what makes the tablet great for drawing hobbyists. It supports most of the same tech and features but also works as an excellent tablet for media consumption, social media, and even work use. On the downside, the iPad Air only has a 60 Hz refresh rate instead of 120 Hz like the iPad Pro. That means the iPad Air may not feel quite as smooth when you're using the Apple Pencil with it. The difference is relatively minor, and most users will still find the iPad Air to be excellently smooth and very responsive. The other main downside is the fact that the iPad Air is still quite expensive. But considering how many other uses it has, hobbyists will find it to be a great device overall. Number 3. Apple iPad, 10th generation. Best budget all-in-one. The best budget all-in-one drawing tablet is the 10th generation iPad, which is a great iPad for drawing, comes in a range of bright colors and has a fantastic edge-to-edge display. The iPad 10th generation is compatible with the Apple Pencil, USB-C, and the Apple Pencil, 1st generation. Like other iPads, this one supports a huge selection of drawing apps such as Procreate. It also has a crisp, bright display that allows you to easily see your drawings as you go. It's powered by an Apple A14 Bionic processor should provide enough processing power for years to come. The base model iPad is a little more expensive than some of the other devices on here, but it works as a standalone unit and not as an accessory for a computer or other device. Plus, you can also use the iPad for entertainment and productivity, rather than just drawing. It's an excellent option for those who want the iPad drawing experience, but don't want to pay extra for an iPad Air or iPad Pro. Number 4. Gaomon PD1560. Best with built-in screen. While most drawing tablets use your computer's display, some have their own screen, even if they still have to be connected to your computer. If you prefer the latter, the Gaomon PD1560 has everything you need. It has a big 15.6-inch, high-definition screen that looks great, with vibrant colors and good brightness. This tablet supports an impressive 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity for a natural-feeling drawing experience. It also has 10 shortcut buttons, allowing you to set up a quick and easy workflow. Number 5. One by Wacom. Best budget. If you're on a budget, the One by Wacom is the drawing tablet for you. This tablet does away with the shortcut buttons and wireless connectivity that you can get from many other drawing tablets, and it doesn't offer quite the same number of pressure sensitivity levels. But these are relatively small trade-offs to make for a drawing tablet that still boasts high-end build quality, a portable and slim design overall, and a much lower price tag. The one by Wacom is compatible with both Windows and Mac OS, so you'll be able to use it with the vast majority of computers.